everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good morning. And welcome to another day in paradise. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll take a look at the charts in a second. Good morning, Michaela. Cabello, Cristo. Good morning, everyone. We're back in the real world. Okay, so let's just change the monthly record. We are at 7 wins now, 1 loss, 1 break even. Very nice. Let's just update that record. Okay, beautiful. So I think we're ready to go. So yeah, in terms of today, we'll take a look at GJ and gold like we normally do and see what we can get over here, okay? First things first though, let's take a look then at news. So, news today, yeah, we're actually okay for news today, which is good. That makes it a little bit easier for us. Yeah, there's nothing much. Euro news at 10 and then that's it. So, a pretty simple day. Oh, looking like GA is already pushing up. Okay, okay. Let's take a look at Goldie. Okay, so, oh, look at that closure. Yeah, look at that. Straight rip for Asian. Nice. That was nice. That's the trade I kind of wanted. We'll go through this one because I think this one's probably better. Have we tapped the support now? Yeah, we have. That's a little bit of a bother. But again, it's okay. Sometimes the Asian session traders have got to get their piece as well, all right? So let's take a look then. So monthly time frame. We can see over here that the monthly is still bullish, right? But the monthly is still bullish. Looks like it's retraced a little bit. It's made a bit of a wick to the top. But that's okay. That's fine. We're still bullish on the monthly. The weekly time frame though did close bearish. Okay, we've had a bearish weekly closure and we've broke the low of the previous already. So some sort of retracement's maybe about to occur, which is fine. But again, in terms of the weekly, there's nothing much for me to mark because we've just pushed up and we're just starting to retrace a little bit, right? The last weekly did not break the high of the previous, but it didn't break the low either. So, you know, that's fine. And yeah, you can see this now. The weeklies broke the previous low. That is fine. Now let's take a look at the daily. So if you look at my Instagram story, and I hope some of you took notice of this because if you traded Asian, it would have been quite good. But yeah, on my Instagram, I discussed here. I discussed this. Okay, the daily closing below support. So what do I mean by this? Well, if you look here, you can see that the daily time frame closed below support right there. Okay, sorry, that's a shit color to do it in. There we go. Okay, we closed below. So if we close below support, then realistically the next candle should make a top wick and then reflip and drive. Okay, and that's what it's done. You know, made a little top wick there and it's drove. So that's okay. And again, when I say you know, oh, it happened in Asian session. You know, don't get worked up that it was a different session that you trade. You know, it doesn't really matter. Right, some people got to take the trades in that time. That's hunky dory, right? So you know, but there's still going to be options for us. There's still be always options for us, which is fine. So I'm just going to mark over here the daily support line, right? This is the daily support line that we closed below, which was great. Great confirmation for us to potentially see something in the downside. Okay, so there's the daily support. Okay, let's take a look then at the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, yeah. I mean, again, down here we closed bearish here, which is good. A little bit of a pullback and then a drop, which is nice at 1 o'clock. Kind of expected. I mean, there was a lot of wicks here, so it wasn't the easiest, but yeah, good stuff. And then we've came down to here, which we've tapped. Can you see? So when we came up here, we've ejected here, made a little bit of support to continue. So this could be the 4-hour support line. So I'm just going to write that on over here. Make this a bit thinner like this. There you go. So now we've got the 4-hour support line starting to make sense of what we've got here. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we've came down. That's good. If you looked at just the start there, I had sales below 51. So that was good. Anything else on the 4 hour? Well, below the support, we've got quite a clean zone all the way down to this level here, 2030. For me, that would be quite a nice zone to go to if we do continue bearish. That would be great. But again, the weekly candle doesn't have the biggest top wick and whatever, but we'll see. Let's take a look then at the lower time frames. Let's take a look at the hourly. So, yeah, okay, you can see there's just a quite major supports here. And quite a lot of rejection wicks, a lot of bad traffic here. Realistically, the thing that I can see there is this. After you get below 2,140, you've got quite a nice drive down. Okay, these wicks here, and as long as you close below it, you've got a nice push. So definitely towards 2040 and below would be good. Again, how would I have taken the trade through Asian? For me, it would have been this closure here. Yeah. Look at the 30. Yeah, I mean, once the hourly closes bearish below, can you see it closed below all of this? Okay, that's the hourly support. We've closed below. We've made a top wick, retesting it, reflip. So probably would have got in on the 15, maybe breaking the previous low, or even later like there. Yeah, that was good. And now look, we just tap support. Again, does this mean we're going to go bullish now? Well, not necessarily, because again, look at the higher time frames. Right, the daily, the weekly, the monthly. So the weekly and the daily are bearish, and there's no signs for me to go bullish yet. It would have to be pretty substantial for me to go bullish. Probably a closure back above, probably the daily flipping bullish. But again, my whole bias today is bearish because we've closed below support. So I'm not really too bothered about bias. So let's take a look then at the 30-minute time frame. Start to picture things maybe out a little bit more. So I'm just going to move this to here because that makes sense with this and that wick and that resistance there. Okay, so yeah, we're trading in this range basically from 2,152 to 2,146, but realistically this traffic here is a little bit washed, wash. But again, like I said before, sells below this level, 2,140 would be great for me. So I'm just going to write that on over here. And again, like, as long as things stay the same in the day, I can just keep these levels in, and when it comes to it, I'll know what to do. So definitely shows sells below there, and that would make sense for the 4 hour to come back down. Okay. In terms of anything above, can I get into a trade anywhere above? I mean, my issue is there's a little bit of a support there. Okay, the support again here is like that actually. No, I'm gonna leave that a little bit higher up on the hourly. But yeah, I think in terms of the sells, I think 2,140 around them areas, maybe a little bit low on the 15 there. I think could be a nice move for us to take, but that really depends on getting there. Right now, in terms of trades, I mean, again, there's no if, buts, or maybes about it. It's just, for me, this was the move that I wanted. I discussed last night. But the Asian session got it. So now I've got to wait, are we going to come back up here? Are we going to then start to reject and come further below? And then we can maybe start looking when we get below 2,140. Maybe. But right now, it's kind of just a waiting game here to see what's our next move. So we'll wait for that. Let's do it with the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour support's still there, so we're hunky-dory. But again, as I say, in terms of my position, I really wanted the trade from there to there, and I would have got it if it was London. But now we just gotta wait a little bit longer for the sells to continue, I feel. Okay, so that's kind of me on Goldie at the moment. My bias is bearish, and I don't really want to be taking the buys when we are doing that right now. So yeah, that's fine. Let's take a look then at GJ. Yeah, let's take a look at GJ in a second. Yes, bro, how are you? Hello, I'm good. You're doing well on TikTok over here. So yeah, we're gonna do GJ over here. Let's get all this off. Let's get all this crap off. Okay, so look where we are now. if you've seen my trades taken, I've been very, very, very good with GJ. GJ, I've taken, yeah, a lot of GJ trades. So what I kind of expected was the fact that this monthly candle was making a lower wick to then potentially flip and then continue bullish. Now, looking like we're doing this now, which is great. Again, what was this all based off? It was based on the left-hand side, like we discussed before, right? I'll just go through it again for the newbies. But yeah, we closed above this resistance here. Okay, now can you see what happens when we close above this resistance? We drive to there, 196. So what my whole analysis for this monthly candle is that we drive. Okay, because we closed above on the previous monthly candle. So that's my monthly bias. Does that mean I just take buys in GJ? No, I've taken sells and buys, but it's just to have that in the back of your mind to know that that's what we're kind of working with over here in terms of overall trend. So yeah, once we break that monthly high, that would be great. That'd be great. Now let's just go into in depth in here. You can see, look, price pushed up. We retraced, made some support. Can you see? Rejected, tapped the previous zone, and now we're looking hunky dory to go bullish over here. Now it looks like the candle didn't really open up with much of a bottom wick. Looks like it gapped up a little bit, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna get the weekly line on there, and then we're gonna go to the lower time frames. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect. So I'm probably gonna make this a daily line as well. Just makes it a bit easier if it's daily and a weekly line. So let's whack this on. Daily I use is yellow, by the way, just so you know, and 4 hours blue. So yeah, can you see here? This is beautiful price action, because you can see like what we're doing here is we're stepping up, right? We pushed up, retraced, pushed up, retraced. So it's looking good. Now, in terms of the daily, let's get a bit more accurate in there. We do know that there is some sort of resistance around this level. You can see, because again we had that resistance before and rejected. Now a bit different now because we did retest previously as well. So yeah, there is a little bit of a caution for me there that there's no bottom wick on the daily candle and there's a little bit of resistance here. So again, I'm not really too fussed about maybe getting in right now. But again, the daily closed bullish here. The daily closed bullish. It's just this little bit of resistance here that I gotta go check on the lower time frames. But again, if this daily closes bullish like this, then man, tomorrow I'm gonna be looking for trades pretty quickly, because well, not quickly, sorry, but when we get closures, because it's you know, if this closed bullish like this, we should really make a lower wick, retest, and then reflip, and then drive, just like this candle did here and this candle did here. So that would be very good if you close the bullish above. So let's take a look then. Obviously daily, let me put the daily res on. This is obvious. Daily res is up here. The daily res. Okay. 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look. Yeah, it could turn into a wick and form a head and shoulder on daily. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm thinking as well. Could be a little bit of an F there. So 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look and see how the 4 hours are doing. So, you know, yeah, the good thing about this, I suppose, is that the previous one, the head and shoulders thing, is that we've closed above that zone now, which is good. Can you see? So we've already kind of closed above it. So that's pretty nice. So actually I'm going to write here that this was some sort of 4 hour res here. And where do I get that? Well, because this is 4 hour resistance, this is 4 hour support, this was 4 hour support which it faked out on, this is 4 hour support that it held, this is 4 hour resistance that was held, and now we are breaking above it. JPY and GBP interest rates both this week, usually bullish for GJ. Yeah, very good. There's also, I can see here, a little bit more 4 hour resistance right here. Okay, so again, you know, you could be thinking, oh, Max, look, 4 hour, it's breaking the previous high, look, we could drive. And it's like, yeah, we can drive. How big is this zone? That's only 18 pips. But again, we can see, but there is some 4 hour resistance pretty close, right? So where, again, where am I getting that? Well, look, Use your eyes. 4 hour res, the resistance here, price held there. We had support there, support there, support there. Resistance tapped into here, resistance tapped into here, and support. So that's clearly a big zone as well. So let's get to the lower time frames now. But yeah, I mean, if this 4 hour closes above in an hour's 25 minutes time, then it looks good again to continue. Let's take a look at this hourly. Yeah, so take a look to the left hand side. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad zone actually. It's not a bad zone at all. So, you know, take a look to the left hand side. I always say just look to the left and see what happens. Let me just shrink this down. It's a little bit too beefy for me. Okay, so let's take a look. So, looking like you're having a little bit of trouble here, which is to be expected. Again, it's the start of the day, but we're still closing above this support, right? So, in terms of recent times, though, you can kind of see, I'm going to move this to the current resistance. Can you see in the 15 we haven't really closed above? Let's take a look to the left-hand side. Yeah, so, you know, for me, you can see, you know, sometimes you can go, right, Max, well, the support's here. It's like, yeah, it is, but look at all this shit, right? Realistically, GJ is not moving very well until it gets above that zone. Then we push. So knowing this, knowing that situation there, then just look to the left a little bit more. So if I know that price pushes, you know, much better above there, does this make sense with the left hand side before? Okay, well it does, because look, we made support to push, we held support to push, we push, which is great news. Back to this high, which again was the 4 hour zone. Again, we push nicely here. So yeah, that makes sense. I'm just going to move this here. So looking to the right hand side now. Actually, wait, let me just put this on as well. So another thing as well is if we push in this to this zone, this pushed straight away, amazing, but there was some sort of resistance here. So in that case, I'm just going to put a little bit of a line there. I normally use like a yellow line here, even though I know it's daily, but I'll do green. That's where I should really go break even, right? Because if we get a closure above and we push, that could be the first area we could have a little bit of an L, okay? A little bit of an issue. Now looking to the left hand side, you can see that we haven't closed above. But once we do get that closure above, I'll happily be taking that trade, okay? I'll happily be taking that trade above. So that's pretty promising. Because again, the left hand side, we push every single time we see it, right? There's no look in that. Look to the left hand side, right? Closure above, push. Okay? Holding support, push. Closure above, push. Closure above, push. Closure above, push. Oh, shit. Okay. So this is the data that I want. No fucking Fibonacci bullshit or no XYZ, right? If I know a candle closes above and rips every single time, look, closure above, rip. Closure above, rip. Okay? Closure above, not so rip. But again, that was at 12 o'clock, so what was that for? Maybe 12 examples there where we push. And if this doesn't push, it did eventually anyway, as long as my stop loss is below this kind of region. Okay, so again, I've kind of got to think about my stops now. So, you know, that's probably the last level, but let's take a look here. So, when we close above, yeah, I mean, a little bit deeper, we get a pullback. So this would be the most realistic. However, that's a huge stop. So we'll take a look. I'm gonna probably have it below these levels now. And is that in the middle of the zone? Yeah, it's in the middle of the zone. So again, if you close your below, it's only like 50 pips to be fair. That'll be fine. Yeah, I'd probably have my stops below or back because that gives me the best example. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Would it be below the 4 hour zone? What the fuck is that thing drawn there, bro? Oh, it's because the gap. Yeah, I mean, the 4 hour will be below that level. So that'd be great. So yeah, there we go. Amazing. And again, you know, I know the 4 hour here has broken the previous high. It's looking good. But I still want it to close above a certain level. So yeah, if we get that, that'll be hunky-dory, and I'll take my buy over there. And again, go break even towards there. 192.56. Maybe close some there, and then obviously close 193.60. Are you still using M's and W's patterns, bro? Nah, I'm just looking to the left, mate. Yeah, I got too confusing. Oh shit, I need to drink my coffee. Yeah, and my gold trade last week, man, I'm not gonna lie, I put my hands up. That fucked me. I couldn't even manage because the hourly didn't make a top wick. But realistically, I just got on the wrong side of the daily, which was very silly for me. But again, it's fine. I feel the good thing about this is the fact that, you know, because I have so many winners normally, that if a losing trade comes about, it's like, oh, whatever. And the good thing is I can really focus on it. So the whole situation in the group last night was I was going through all the winning trades and then the losing trade in depth. And there was a very, very significant, obvious difference between them. And it was the higher time frame, especially the daily. So I went through this in detail last night in the chat. If you guys do want access to that, it should be in the description or whatever, or I'll send it to you here. Yeah, only $29.99. You get full breakdowns, full trades taken. At the moment, we're on 7 wins, 1 loss. And yeah, I really go through every single trade, put some effort into it. So yeah. But yeah, looking good. 16 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. But yeah, looking good. And again, as I say again, it looks annoying when the candle pushes, you know, maybe an Asian and you wanted that trade. But man, you know, it's fine. There's always going to be another time. You know, never get worked up on just one time. Okay. Never get worked up, boy. So yeah, now it's just a waiting game, and it looks pretty simple today, which is good. Yeah, it looks really, really good. So yeah, 18 minutes left. I mean, if this hourly closed above, that would be great. That would be really, really great for me. How did the Asian session do? Where did it come to? Yeah, all the way down. That's fine. Good stuff. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well today. I had a nice weekend, man. Had a really good weekend. And now I'm ready for the week. Got a very, very busy week this week. Like every other bloody week. But it's fun. The TikToks coming on. I finally had a video that had a bit more views than normal, which is good. And I always preach this, right? So this TikTok video, it's just there. It's just there. It was just a picture of me. I'll show you. Yeah, like 9,000 views. That's pretty cool. Getting into shape, boy. Getting there. It's coming off. It's coming off. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, focusing on content for that this week. I also started a new TikTok as well. I'm just going to document my whole life, whole weekday lives, because I feel for me I found a little niche. And I think it could be quite good. So it's like, you know, it's less edited. It's more like vlogging style. But what I've realized is, you know, the whole Andrew Tate thing and everyone, you know. It's just, you know, everyone says you need to go out and make some money. Blah, 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 blah. You know, you need to work hard. It's like, all right, now what does that entail? Like, you know, what does working hard actually mean to a normal person? And my life right now is pretty much working hard to the T. You know, I do gym in the morning, live stream, do a 9 to 5, edit all my videos, after, film in the gym, by the way, in the morning, then edit all my videos after, rinse, repeat. With no external circumstances. So I think just seeing the grind constantly is quite a good niche, and you know, I can talk about things when I'm just doing the day-to-day stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try that one. I do say to any of you guys as well, if you want to get to social media, just do it, just try it, because again, the reason why I like it is because there's no drawdown of doing it. There's no drawdown at all, right? If you don't succeed, you would have at least learned something, or learned how to edit, or learned a skill. Okay, that is the great thing about social media in any way, shape, or form. So if you're into that and you're into a certain hobby that you're pretty good at, and you've got good knowledge and you're witty character, I'd say just go for it, man. Just keep on consistently posting for a year and see what happens. Because again, the good thing about social media for me, and the reason why I really want to stick with it, is the fact that there's no upfront cost. There's no upfront cost that you have to invest. It's just how much work you want to put in. Okay? So yeah. 30-minute time frame broke previous low. Okay, so looking like it's rejecting, but that's great. It means that our resistance line is making sense here, which is good. Yeah, very, very good, very good. But yeah, looking like it's pretty solid for this day. It's pretty easy to see where we're going. Again, gold is probably harder because we're at support now, and it's like, when are you going to go bullish again, Mr. Goldie? Because the monthly's still bullish. I really hope we do retrace to 2,130. I hope we can get some pips out of that. But yeah, GJ's been my little baby at the moment. I've been smashing it. You're right, but can you imagine the whole of the gulag on social media? Yeah, bro. But sometimes you gotta play it. Sometimes you gotta play it, bro. Like my TikTok stop loss matters. My TikTok stop loss matters now. I'm gonna start to take the piss out of them a bit. When I take a trade, I'm gonna make the stops look even more outrageous, and just to really vex them, because what they do is they start commenting and the video blows up. Yeah, and I suppose hate and stuff, but again, once you kind of get used to it, it's like, whatever, who gives a fuck? Like, genuinely. As long as you're doing good, like, it's fine. Hope you guys are doing well. 43 people this morning already, that's great news. 21 likes. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you've learned something this morning. Again, starting the analysis in the higher time frames, going low. And yeah, as I say, this is what I'm happy with. I took a very big L last week. But there was reasons to it. There's reasons that I did wrong, but also there was a bit of hard luck in the fact that the hourly hadn't made any top wick. So when I got into my my buy, I think it was here. Also didn't pay it to fact this support. But anyway, yeah, when it started closing below, what I was going to do is that this hourly candle, if it made a top wick, I would have moved my stops to there. But this motherfucker just yeeted down with no top wick. That was a bit of an L, but again, it's fine. We're still profitable, boy. Took a big chunk, but again, the good thing about it is because there's only one loss, we can really focus on it and see what went wrong. And then again, next time we may not do it. And right now, if we didn't take that L, I'd be on like 100 pips. Nah, maybe like 80 pips, 90 pips for like 2 weeks, which is not bad. Not bad, not bad. You mentioned that you discovered that the loss is due to the daily time frame. Can you go back in more depth? Was it because the daily did not overall? Yeah, man, the daily closed bearish. My analysis, I think I just wasn't focusing really on the daily. The daily closed bearish here, but didn't close below support. So I knew we could be still playing this range. But yeah, man, I just got caught on the top wick. And again, this is the issue. You know, the hourly had support here, and for some reason I didn't see it. I have no idea why. But yeah, that's my fault. My fault, dog. Yeah, daily closing bearish. And in terms of that day, actually, yeah, anything else? I mean, a little bit hard to get in the cells, but it was all good. And then, but then actually at the end of the day, I got a GJ trade anyway, which saved me. Well, it didn't save me, but you know, it got me some money back again. Hourly closing bullish above, retest closing bullish. The 4-hour time frame closed bullish above. Can you see? So the 4-hour closed above all this. All right. 4-hour closed above. What happens when the 4-hour closes above? Well, we drive. That's the start of the analysis. Again, look at the hourly time frame. Hourly close above, retest, whatever, closure above. And looking to the left hand side, you've got a clean candle all the way up to here. 190 flat. Okay, look how clean this was. Closure above, push. Okay, closure above, push. So, oh shit. So yeah, I was hunky-dory to take that trade, and yeah, I got a couple pips. My runner got stopped out at break even by literally the tip, and then I went to 190, but I still got like 12 pips or something. Not bad, not bad. Do you think it was 12? Maybe it was 16. I don't know. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, there's no news today. Tomorrow there is. Oh yes, a lot of news tomorrow. Hey, a lot of news, a lot of news. Hello, hello, people in TikTok chat as well. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a good day. So yeah, we'll just see how this plays out over here. Looking on the lower time frame, see how we're doing. Yeah, we're just rejecting, but that's good. Let's see what we can do with it. Good morning, fam. Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well in the YouTube chat. Hope you guys are ready for a good week. Do a giveaway. Not a giveaway yet, bro. Nah, we've got to get more likes than that. We're going to get at least 150 likes. We'll do some giveaways. That'll be a while, I think. Yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I think for gold, the room here is a little bit shit, man. A little bit hard for me to take trades in this area. A lot of support, so might be a little bit of a waiting game. Maybe NY session for gold. What's the wildest thing that's happened to you since you've been on social media? Happened to me? Nothing really. What do you mean by wild, though? Nothing too wild. Oh my god, I guess, well guys, I realized something just recently as well. I'm a fucking idiot. But if you look at here, I did this gumball rally thing, right? And the video is very, very, very white. It's really white. It's shit. But basically, I check it on my phone and it's fine, but basically HDR rendering, when you put it on Premiere Pro doesn't like it, and it basically puts it out as horrendous. So that's a bit of a shame, but it means my next one that I can edit, I know that, and I'll just do it on my phone. So I do want to finish this off because we missed a full next part, which is cool, of all the cars and stuff. So yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I wonder how Josh is doing. Josh, that guy, man, that we race with, that's his Countach there. He's like 27. His barn in Edinburgh is outrageous. Shmi, the guy who, you know, the big YouTuber, went to see it. And he has some, because basically he told us, Josh said, I went to some rich guy because he also was very, very rich, and asked him, like, what should I do with all this money that he made? And he basically said, buy what you love. So he did. And he just buys the cars that pretty much are not going to lose any barn find. Yeah, look at this.
Come and check this out. Night is falling. Scotland. But I see something pretty
This is
cool
Josh's
in this
barn,
garden
bro.
here. Check that out. A light blue Porsche. Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
What on earth are we looking at here? That's a 718 GT4. This is a Balboni edition Gallardo, the manual named after the test driver Valentino Balboni.
Balboni.
That's an Aventador Miura.
That's a Aventador Miura. That's sick.
Check out these though. This is a Singer DLS, and behind it is the bright pink Gunther Works. There's a Defender back there. Then look at this, the new Lamborghini Countach, one of 112. The dark red paint over the white wheels and the white leather interior. Then
look, it got a Aventon.
That's one of only 15 of these that Lamborghini ever made. And behind it, look at that Diablo.
Diablo SV. A GT, is it? Wow.
Diablo. I did not expect that. I tell you what, when it comes to barn finds, what about that? Come and check this.
Yeah, dog. He's got a fucking barn find in a heart. Pretty rad. Where is my coffee heater? My coffee is freezing. Did anyone watch the Manchester United game yesterday? Oh my god. Oh my god, what a game. What a game, eh? Yeah, that was a great game, man. A great game. Oh, yeah, I could probably do shoulders. So yeah, looking like Gully's doing a bit of a retracement over here. That's all hunky dory. To be expected. It's a shame they had a nightmare at the London stop. Yep. It's a bit of a shame. So the hourly is closing in 3 minutes time. Obviously it's looking like it's going to close bearish here, but that's fine. Again, the zone still stands, right? Once you get that zone above, hopefully maybe when the 4 hour closes bullish, then you can get it. And again, that'll be coming in with all the bias, the daily, the weekly, the monthly. So weekly's already broke the previous weekly high as well. Damn. No lower wick though, so it may take a little bit longer this week. But again, once this, if this closes above tomorrow, then I'll still be looking because it's just a clean zone to get a push. And actually, the zone above is not, 25 pips, not bad. It's not bad, it's not bad. Have you heard about MT5 ban in the US? Yeah, I think I saw that. What's the reason? Another snow warning for me this month's been hard to open position in London. Mine hasn't. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been maybe a little bit later than like the open, but yeah, it's still been Hi, morning. Yeah. Are you ready for work? You ready for work? ND5 got banned because a lot of people were brokers and manipulating trades. Aha. After all this time, everyone's saying, use MT5. Damn, damn, damn. Too many people going full margin. So look, the hourly closed bearish here, respecting resistance. That's fine. And again, you know, you need to remember the 4 hour did close bearish. Yes, we have broken the high, but there's still resistance there. This could reflip and fill that wick below, so do be careful. So 8 o'clock right now. Let's see, right? Goldie opened up. Goldie opened up. No top wick. And didn't close with the top wick on the previous. Interesting. But yeah, there'd be no buys for me here because, again, we're overall bearish at the moment. Not overall, but in terms of the daily and the weekly. That's what we're looking at over here. But yeah, what are we on? We're on the 18th. Yes, we've still got quite a lot of trading days left. Got like 10 days left, which is good. These months are going so quick, man. Life just goes so fast. Just zips past me, man. It just zips past me. What's a good prop firm, bro? I don't know. I don't use them. No idea, man. No idea. I don't know. I think FTMO, I think I've heard is reasonable, and a lot of them are scamming. I saw a video. Who's it called? CalmFX. CalmFX like didn't get paid out, bro. Is it this one? Yeah, this one. He didn't get paid out.
FX process the withdrawal with what I requested compared to all the shy away from like the forex industry as well as the FX like prop firms, and why I will be continuing my trading journey over on the future sides of things due to just like these things like this. You know, I thought that this company was going to give me a withdrawal. I've seen withdrawals from Cortana itself, and I think what happened as
He said he was trading on 2 different IPs. What the fuck is that bullshit, bro? What, you can't trade like on your phone and then on your computer? Like, fucking these things, man. Just save your own money, bro. It's much more rewarding anyway. Fuck the prop firms, man. Cortana FX. It's like, you know what I mean? It's just scammy, bro. Like genuinely, like there's loads of like TikToks forex people in the UK, and they don't even trade themselves. They're just like promotional, and they have like someone in the back, and they make their own broker back to back, and they just fucking loaded because of it. Hi Max, do you use the same lot size for gold and GG? Yeah, at the moment. Depending on how gold goes, because again, gold has been my only loss. I may half risk on gold. We'll see. Because the stops tend to be a little bit bigger anyway on gold, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Do 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 do. Ooh, was that FOMC? Ooh, FOMC, dog. When are the daylight? When's my daylight saving or whatever it's called? 31st of March, bro. That's when summer is coming. Yes. Yes! God, I can't wait for some heat. I can't wait for some tan. Just a nice weather to wake up in the morning would be beautiful. It would be amazing. I really hope you're streaming this time. I love your trade analysis and personality. Greetings from Denmark. Yeah, I will. As long as it doesn't affect my 9 to 5, I'll be fine. You know. Howdy, hello, just in style. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, everyone. So yeah, I think maybe GJ could be the one today for me. Gold's got a long way to go. I mean, again, once it pushes 100 pips, it's not far, is it? So depends. Maybe later on. Maybe later on. Just mark execute YOLO. Also, guys, if you guys haven't sent me in any charts, make sure to do so. I can take a look and edit some charts. We'll take a look. Just send me the link from TradingView and we'll take a look. Yes, sir. How's the day going so far? Not bad, not bad. Just marked up. Just get ready, get set for the week. Yeah, it's not doing too bad. 25 likes, guys. Try and get to 50 likes if you can. That would be great. That would be great. Hey, so I just want to know, I find your short video about finding your own style of trading really informative. So much appreciation. No worries. Thank you, JJ. Yeah, man. Find the trading style that you like. It's all down to you. No one else. What's your dream car? Mine is a Lotus Evora because it's attainable. Don't need to say that, brother. Everything's attainable. Well, not everything, but a Lotus Evora is lovely. Actually, my mate sent me a picture of one yesterday. Yeah, they're good. They look really nice. The new Lotuses are looking really good. Even like I saw like an SUV. I was like, fuck, that looks pretty good. Yeah. Is it this one? Wait, let's see if I can show you it. Is this the car you're talking about? I don't know my Lotuses that much. I only know the old ones. Let's see. Let's see. That one. Yeah, I've seen some of them on the road and they look really nice. So my dream car, my car that I'd want, that like I'd be happy with, but that's the bare minimum, is an Aventador. SV probably. Yeah. And an Aventador SV is the one, man. Anything above is kind of overkill. It'd be nice to have it if I had tons of money, but again, I'm not really bothered. I'd rather just have an Aventador. That was my bedroom poster, and my dad's was the Countach. So hopefully one day, if my dad still has the Countach, we can take a picture together. That would be sick, like this, but mine will be there. Yeah, that's cool. Well, there's me. That Maserati looks lovely. That's when I raced it. That was sick that day. That is a great track car. 355 Challenge, proper car. And there's someone, that very, very famous man, was actually bidding on one of these. Well, he's not famous. He's not. Yeah, he's famous. But do you know Nico, the watch guy? He was bidding on one of these so he could race. We were speaking to him because I met him, and he, yeah, he's bidding for one. That'd be pretty cool if Nico could come and join. Yeah, it's not the biggest volume at 8 o'clock, but it tends to not be really. It's normally a bit later on, like 9:30, 10 o'clock. That's kind of the area that I've seen. It's been reasonable recently. But again, you just pick your battles. If you can't trade in those times, then that's fine. Just wait until a time you can trade and back test it out. So the hourly made a little low wick coming back up, but yeah, looking like a bit of a lack of volume today. Right, let's stop this music for a second. Let's play something maybe a little bit more upbeat. Get us really zoned in for the day. Huh? 2 seconds, guys. Oh. Get you upbeat for the Monday morning. Come on. So hourly made the lower wick on Goldie, looking like it's gonna continue, maybe bullish. May have some issues here though. Support. Right, yeah. Say that I'm do 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 do. It's Monday morning. Don't even know me. Stay around. Yeah, this GJ is not wanting to go at it. Rejecting the game. Do 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 do. This is my favorite song ever. I play this song at least, I don't know, 20 times a day. You don't even know me. Say that I don't ask for nothing. I'm always coming back home. Huh? Bye, love you. See you later, alligator. It's my life, and I'm living it now. You don't know. You don't know me. You don't understand me. And then we'll do another one. Why not? Why not? Before I get copyrighted. Is anyone a Kendrick fan over here? Because I am a big Kendrick fan. I only really got into him like maybe it was just last July or something. His last, you know, it was like old albums, bro. The fuck are the other? Yeah, this. I still don't know which one I prefer. Good Kid, Mad City, or To Pimp a Butterfly. I think it's gotta be Good Kid, Mad City, but yeah, we'll just play some generic one. Fuck it. How are we gonna deal with Goldie here? 42 minutes left for the FOIR. That'll be interesting. If we close back above here, that'll be wild. But again, I want to stick with the trend, and right now, ain't no trend, dog. Buys. I should raid and then to tell my bros. Raid and not get Pokemon. Yeah, I mean, another reason why they could have issues here again, 190 big psychological level, right? It's right there, 190. It likes to hover around there for sure. You look at like an easy come up, you bitch. So yeah, this 4 hours is going to be a big decider, you know, on GJ. Gets this closure above, then I got to reevaluate like that. However, it could also reflip and goes bearish. If it goes bearish though, I wouldn't want to take sells again. Higher time frame, sticking with the trend. There's not really anything for me to go bearish on. Weekly close bullish, daily close bullish, monthly bullish. So that's just how I feel. Nah. Dollar might just put the lane switch. That's just how I feel. Think I might. For my homies. But yeah, in terms of like maybe a morning that's slower, again, you know, you've got to really decide what's best for you. Do you want to just sit here the whole time? Or do you want to just set an alert where you're going to be interested? You know, when I don't stream, I'll just mark up my charts in the morning by myself, put alerts on where it's going to be interesting to see, you know, where I could potentially take trades, and then yeah, that'll be it. And I've been listening all day. Does watching the charts constantly make you feel more FOMO? Who, me? Nope. I couldn't care less. Look at Goldie. Look at Goldie. Look at Goldie. $25 pips on the hourly flip. Not bad. But again, in terms of the trade, I mean, you could maybe say you could get up to here, which is like 12. Nothing too much. Damn, I hop into the stream to say hi and you're playing Kendrick. Let's go. Yeah, bro. But the one, man. Thing, these are generic though. I like some of his other ones. Like this one. This is a good one. Everybody just down the truth. You bitch. Smoking on the finest dope. Ay, 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 ay. Drink until I can't no more. Ay, 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 ay. Until I can't no more. Ay, 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 ay. But I'm with the homies right now. Ay, 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 ay. I'm with the homies right now. If you did get into those gold buys, definitely secure some there, considering there's support there, which could act as a resistance. To get back down to the low, maybe. Now that could be something you could look for, really, because yeah, the 4 hours just making the top wick. Again, it is only 36 minutes left though for the closure, so you'd have to see some pretty substantial rejection here. But realistically, once you get that resistance forming, back down to 21.45 could be realistic. And again, I'll be with the daily, so yeah, I wouldn't mind watching for that. You know, like if this is the retracement, then we get some sort of bearish closure. Getting in there, be a nice little trade. That's what I would look for. Because actually that zone is clean. It's the zone below I don't like. So this is not bad, this area. So that could be something to look for. Around 50% Asian. Okay, let me put this Asian on. 1 second. Yeah, it's 50% Asian as well. Nice. Yeah. Keep an eye out. Keep an eye out, boy. With the homies. Been listening to this song on Central C as well. Do 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 loop. Do 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 loop.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Lahe.
How you doing?
I'm good,
Mr.
brother.
Max?
How are you?
Good.
How are you?
I'm just chilling home.
Good lad. You taking anything yet? It's quite bearish, Goldie, eh?
You know, when he coming back to 45,
Yeah.
you know, just close to this area.
Yeah.
That's the point that I don't trade the last 2 days of the last week because I waiting for that buy.
Yeah.
I take it. I grab not too much down like he do, but I grab like in 50, and I believe he fly 200 pips today.
Ooh, wow.
I believe he coming back like a 73 again.
But why?
Because I am crazy guy.
No. Tell me like your analysis, like why?
Because my analysis is he don't broke the 55.
You mean like close?
Look, I need to give attention to my little one here, but I tell you my for what in a couple minutes.
Oh good, brother. Did you beat that? Starting to slow down. I don't want it to close below here at least 51. I ended buys in gold 21,480, closed 21,449. Very nice, well done. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Good morning. Alright, let me go back to this before I get banned, bro. So yeah, still waiting here. Maybe some resistance forming on gold and then also GJ to close above, but I think that's going to be a while as we've rejected the hourly closing. But again, all to do with this 4 hour. If this 4 hour closes bearish, then yeah, we're going to wait maybe NY. If it goes bullish above, that would be quite good. Hey Max, do you still use the daily and the 4 hour flip? Not mainly. I normally look for the closures. It's less of the flip. I kind of know that we're bullish throughout the day. I don't need the line now, so yeah, I just didn't need much use for it. For 2 minutes, just go to the toilet.
Nice pajama, bro.
Thanks, brother.
Ah. Look, I want to tell you for what they do, you know?
Mm.
The moment, let me check here. For me, the other day, you know, let me put some 4 hours here. You know, the other day when go up and start go down, you know, because he never broke the 87. He started doing like a short ping pong area, like
Yeah.
but he crossed the 73, 75.
Yeah.
Very strong, like a big candle, like 100 pips candle. And the next 4 hour candle, he broke again this 160, 2160. And he tried to coming back to 73, 75.
Yeah.
But he never broke it strong.
Yeah.
And the moment that he coming down and broken the line number 3 is 2160.
Yeah.
You know, is the confirmation for me that he go down.
Yeah, I agree.
So the next time that I sell go is then like I don't trade sells, no, I'm just waiting for my buy.
Yeah.
But he coming back again to 2160. He don't broke. He make a little fake out candle 4 hours. He coming back again to ping pong area to 73, but he don't touch the line.
Yeah.
He coming back down. He closed the last week negative. No.
Yeah.
In the moment that he broke in this area, I tell Christian, I know he go sell. He coming back to 2145.
Yeah.
But I really don't wanna trade this area. I wanna wait for my 200 pips or 150 pips trade. And I wanna wait. He go to 45.
Yeah.
And I buy it.
Okay. So you're gonna buy it back at 45. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
because I don't believe he wanna broke this 45 today.
Yeah. I get you.
You know.
Because I was thinking of looking for sells back down to 45, but yeah, this left hand side's strong.
Because if he broke in the 45, he dropped 200 pips. He going to 26.
I've got a 31, but yeah, 26 down here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 27. The truth, 26.98 is what I have. That's the more stronger like support that he can coming down.
Yeah.
But in that moment, I really believe he go to 200. You know, because he never go. He go close, but he never go. And that's the point that I believe he coming back down to 45. Doing like a big ping pong because we see gold drop 100 pips. You know, but how long time we don't see gold up 200, 300 pips?
Yeah, it's been a while.
You know, he give you this big jump, okay, like 2050 to 2187. Yeah, but he do this in long days. Take the jump.
There's no big push.
We know, like I know, you know, the gold move every day, 100, 200 pips. That's for this I trade gold because I like that.
The big move.
And that's my opinion. No, my opinion is the 45.50 and he coming up again.
Yeah.
I really, when I see when I see the candle close to the area, I don't wait too much the confirmation or nothing because I have my fixed idea. I just take a buy.
Yeah.
I don't see when I take a buy. I take a 21.50.
Yeah, you just look. You're more on the zone or the price than the candle.
And if I go check the 50 minutes and I wanna like try to identification some for what I buy, we know that every time he go to this area, what he do? He do the same figure that he do right now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I agree. I think I'm gonna try and get the cells back down to 45 if we get a resistance form. Because I feel for me this is gonna occur. Because the 4 hour is just making the top wick. I know it's got still a while left. If this closes below like this.
Yeah, I
take
believe he going like a short ping pong right now, like a 49, 48.
Yeah.
And he coming back up again.
Yeah.
Or not. Maybe he coming back like a 48 right now.
We'll see. We'll see.
I wanna call Trump in a couple minutes, you know, and see what's happening. What he's calling.
Trump on speed dial.
Yeah, we want America better again. My little boy sitting home all day together with me.
Ah, little boy.
Yeah, man. I can't sell all my things today. Best thing to do is roll a joint.
Relax. Relax. Relax your eyes. I take longest target being formation of the previous 4 hour top wick areas on gold.
Let's take vacation next month.
Are you?
I go.
Oh, beautiful. I've got to
I
wait.
really don't know. I have a couple ideas, but I really don't know.
I'm going to Dubai in June, hopefully.
I don't know if I go to Brazil or if I go to the Portuguese islands or maybe going to the Cinque Terre in Italy.
Cinque Terre.
You know what?
Where is that? Nah, I don't think I've heard of it.
Cinque Terre is you see the little cartoon of Disney, Luca? You never see?
No, I don't think so.
You see the crazy village they have in Italy behind the ocean with little house, different colors.
I don't think I have.
I wanna show you in Google. I send you. Let me roll. Just rolling in the river. You working today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always working. Always working. Four hours, got 19 minutes left.
What are you waiting for?
This 30 to close. Or maybe 15, depending on how we close.
Do you wanna sell?
Yeah, back down to 45.
How many pips? 50 pips?
40,
How much
50
stop
pips,
loss?
yeah. I'll have to see. I may just have it on the top of this candle, 54.
I wanna tell you the truth that I believe your trade is happening, you know, but I believe that he coming back to 45, don't lose the opportunity, take a buy. Because I don't believe he go drop more right now. but you know.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to push much further. I like below 2140. Nice below there.
21, oh, it's a lot.
2140 is big zone.
Yeah, the next line I have is 26.
26.
27. These are yeah.
Yeah, I want to sell gold as well, lol. Forget the closure.
People on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Stop loss.
Stop the lies.
Stop loss, mate. Don't forget to put some likes and some hugs and share the link with your best friends, families, everybody that you like to make money.
I like GJ later on as well. I like GJ win rate's good. Does it break that down here as well? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, it doesn't break it down pairs. Yeah, been a bit of a slow morning, eh? But again, it is only Monday. It is only Monday. Sometimes I see quite big Mondays though, so it's best to just do every single day, you know? You know? Um, 14 minutes left for this 4 hour to close on GJ over here. Goldie's volume is naff, bro. Today, anyway. So far, but again, it's only the start. 37 likes, guys. Let's try and buck up them likes, boy. What a shit session. Sometimes it be that way, brother. Sometimes be that way. Just gotta stay composed. Don't just rush into nothing. I know some people do that. Some people just get bored and they just go, oh, I'll try this. And then they lose and say, wow, I'll just take a losing trade on a shitty day. Why have I done that? So, save your dollars. Save the dollars. What are your thoughts on Traders Fight League? I think I saw that on like $dollars. Yeah, it's just this fucking Americans, bro. Wild. I didn't really take much. I didn't know anyone there, so it's kind of like, who even are these people, bro? Who even are these dudes? I think it's a bit toxic, to be fair. And they're like proper like selling it as well. Like, oh my god, I'm a better trader than you. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, fuck being involved in that, bro. What the hell, brother? So this audio camera closing in 10 minutes time. If it closes doji like this, then yeah, indecision. Doesn't really know where it wants to go at the moment. Which is hunky dory. Hunky dory. And it's GJ as well, 10 minutes time to see where that closes. Do, 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 do. Recently for the gym, I've been starting to have my rest days on Monday, man, because I'm going gym like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because I'm not drinking anymore. So it's kind of like, oh, today I'm aching, man. I might do a little filming downstairs, actually. That's what I'll do. Potentially. Changing my name to Take Profit Matters. That's true, though. Take profit's better than not taking profit, I tell you that. I tell you that.
Break even is money.
Yeah.
No. Better profit, better break even than stop loss.
Yeah. Damn straight. Damn straight. Yeah, so looking like both are gonna probably close the way I don't want it to, but that's all good. So what I'm gonna have here is I'm probably gonna have an alert below 2051. Just in case we start coming back down again, and it makes sense. But again, this 4 hour, if this 4 hour close is bullish, then there's not really any chance for me to take a sell, because if this closes bullish here, and let's just say it starts to push down, it could be just making the lower wick of the 4 hour to then, you know, reflip and close bullish. So I think what I'd want to do here is wait. If this 4 hour closes just like this is wait for the next 4 hour to close, because, you know, I think that would be a decider. If the next 4 hour closes above here, then that could be good for buys if we're reflipping the higher time frames. Or if the next one closes, you know, bearish, then depending obviously where it closes. So let's just say this one closes bullish, next one then just rips down. Closes bearish there, then I could look for sells there, or I could look for sells a little bit further. So it would be a little bit hard for me to take trades. Again, like kind of thinking in my brain, like, you know, monthly, yeah, it's overall bullish, right? Weekly at the moment is bearish. The daily closed bearish below support. So taking a 4 hour buy, I don't know. I feel it'll be counter it'll be very similar to my loss last week. So I think I need a bit more information. If I can't put the picture together in terms of what I want to see and what makes sense in terms of the higher time frame, it's best for me to just leave it and wait for the next 4 hour, which will be, you know, NY. So it's kind of that, right? Always try and put things together. If you don't do that, it gets a little bit hard because you're just kind of basing it on the lower time frames and not the high, which isn't a bad thing sometimes, but I think for me it's a need. It's a need. Do 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 do. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it off over here, guys. Again, waiting for the hourly close. I'm waiting for the closures above this level. Going to have an alert there. I'm going to have an alert on gold later on down here. But it looks like this hourly is going to close bullish, and the 4 hour is going to close bullish. So realistically, nothing on me this morning. But we'll wait until NY session, and then we will continue. So thank you very much for coming on, guys. Make sure you like the stream before you leave, and I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah, nothing much this morning. GJ really hasn't moved at all. Goldie had a little retracement, but again, higher time frame on bearish, so my bias is bearish for today. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day. Peace out.